Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to work on the next ray diagram. The things you are drawing nowadays is called ray diagram. In this time we are going to draw the image when the object is located on 2f. That means the object distance is twice of the focal length. The most important thing it is, this is a very sensitive diagram. Even a small mistake you do will make a wrong location of the image. So you should be very carefully drawing this. The most important thing it is, here in the F position I have made a dot. You can see a dot here. Okay, that is the F point. Here the 2f point, that this is F point. Here the optic center, here the other focal point. You have to make these dots very small. You should not make it very thicker and it's very small. In the previous video I have made a bigger one, because the bigger ones doesn't make many problems in creating that diagram, but this diagram it should be just a dot, not very thicker. And now we are going to work on the first line, right? I'm starting from the tip of this and growing. I have to draw it up to the optic center. It should be perfectly touching the optic center. I here zoom and see, okay, little apart from the optic center. Let's bring it correctly to the optic center. So it's a parallel line. It's a parallel line going parallel to the principal axis. So it should be refracted through the focal point. Here the focal point. I have to correctly locate it. Okay, it should not be either one side more, one side less. No chance. It should be correctly located. See here, it is correctly located in the focal point. That's nice. Now second one, I'm again starting from the top of it, right? This time I'm going to draw it. Through the optic center, and it also should be perfectly located. Now see, it's not perfectly located, so I have to perfectly locate it. Okay, see, little down. Let's take it little up. While you are drawing, as you are using ruler, you can perfect it. When I am doing, I have to see the center and make it absolutely in the correct location. Now see, it is correctly going through the optic center. Okay, so let us draw the arrowheads. Here the arrowhead is let's mark the arrowhead this way, 0.5 arrow. Here the arrowhead. Okay, arrow, Here the arrowhead. Okay. Here the arrowhead. And now the arrowheads are ready. I am going to draw the image. The image is produced here. Here are the really two lines are meeting. I am going to draw the image here. See the place where it touches. See the place where it touches. It touches the 2F position. Here it touches, they are meeting here, they touch the 2F position. Okay, so it is going to be an image of this pattern. See, my overall diagram is now ready, coming this way. If you perfectly draw it, the image will be correctly coming on the 2F. If your measurements are not accurate, if your lines are not parallel, okay, if the lines are not exactly touching the optic center, if the lines are not exactly touching the optical axis, then it will not come in the right place. If you don't get it in the right place, decide that you have done some mistake in the measurement or in the parallel nature of the line, or you have little extended behind or before the optical axis. Anyway, let's come to the image properties. The image properties are: number 1, inverted. Yes, no, upside down, inverted. Second, real. Truly, two lines are meeting and making the image, it's real. Third, if you say real, it can be fallen on screen. It can be fallen on screen. Okay, it is same size of object. Object size and image size are perfectly same. It will not be bigger or smaller than the object. It will be correctly same like the object, but it is inverted. And what is the image distance? Image distance, as it is located in the 2F position, is twice of the focal length. So the object is located, for this picture, if you want to give a heading, okay, when the object is located at a distance twice of the focal length will be a heading. Okay, so this is the diagram for today's work. Okay, this is a diagram for today's work. You have to complete this diagram. Okay, this is how it should come to you. Okay, perfectly draw it. It's very sensitive diagram. The other diagrams are not so. Okay, only this diagram is very sensitive. Even a small mistake will bring you to a wrong position of the